Well, we locked it, so we're going to use the spin tool. It's a great time to demonstrate that. That was the Lishi, folks, just to let you guys know.
Find where it went. So we got a fancy HPC plug spinner. I want to spin it to the right, so I'm going to turn it to the right, push it in, and set it into that keyway there. I'm going to depress that button.
Pow.
Pow, she's unlocked. That's it to it, guys.
And the door's unlocked, and if you, just in case you don't believe us, there you go. It's unlocked. It's not our house, we can't enter. Just here to unlock it. Till next time, guys.